Hello dreamers, today I am in South Beach again, staying at a brand new property. This is an exclusive look because I did not find it anywhere online. This is the Hotel Victor. They have two penthouses. One is called the Penthouse Victor and one is called the Penthouse Victoria. I'm in the Victoria Penthouse because that is the one that faces the ocean. I think the Victor Penthouse is a little larger, but it doesn't face the ocean. And you'll see I have a larger patio, I think. So excited to share, let's check it out. All right, so you kind of come in here. This is the hallway that we came in. There is a private elevator, which is down right now. So the private elevators for the penthouse levels. So we had to take the regular elevators to 7, walk across and come to steps. So this is the Victoria Penthouse, and I'm pretty sure this is the Victor Penthouse. So you can see it's a lot longer with the bedroom. And then their patio is back here, upstairs. Actually, no, their patio is right here on the lower, on this level. Our patio is here, but it's a rooftop, so we'll be going up some steps. But let's start off by checking this out. You walk in, we have some closets here. There's a safe in this one, but I have a lot of junk down here, so no need to show you. Looks like they have an old school iPad. I noticed there are speakers all over the place, so you can potentially plug in your own music if you want. This is kind of old school. Who still has this? I don't know. Thermostat. So this is the living room. I opened up the windows or the shades to kind of make it brighter in here. It's not that large. You have 2 chairs and a couch. The couch doesn't look like there's any backing on there, but it still looks like it might be comfortable. We have another closet here that is just coat closet, storage. Looks like about a 50-inch TV, 42-inch maybe on the wall there. We do have what they call their wet bar over here. Take anything out of here and it costs money. That's what I've been told. Check out this mini fridge here. Yeah, looks like it's fully stocked. I don't see a fridge for regular use though, so that's something to consider. This is our view. Right in front of Miami Beach. You could easily have, 6 people in here comfortably. I do believe these 2 doors will lead to the other penthouse. This is the main door we just came in. We'll go over to the bedroom here. King size bed. Coffee maker's free. There's water there, that's free. Another TV. Again, gorgeous views. The ocean and the beach. Can't get enough of that. And then this is the master shower, master bath. Rainfall shower. Water closet. Single sink. Some benches. Again, nice view right from the bathroom. All right, now the best part is, let's go to our private rooftop, or as they call it, the roof garden. So you're gonna come through this door. This door leads to the hallway here with the steps. But we're gonna take our own steps up here. Maybe you can just rent this rooftop by itself, who knows?